Fellow citizens of Zimbabwe, I address you today not as a politician, nor as a man seeking favor, but as a soldier. We have served this great nation with unwavering loyalty for decades. I have stood on the front lines of the liberation. I have watched our flag rise and have sworn to defend the sovereignty and dignity of Zimbabwe with my life. Sarabina mashoko anobuda nyoka panapa retired Lieutenant General David Sigauke Mabranga achidefenda the constitution. Remember, subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Gender Mirabla Chiti. It is from the place of duty and deep love of our people that I speak plainly. Kudakwashita Gure will not be the president of Zimbabwe. Our nation has enjoyed much struggles for independence, economic hardship, and political turbulence, but through it all, we have remained resilient. We have not sacrificed so much only to hand over the future of our children to the whims of unchecked ambition and captured wealth. Leadership is not bought, it is earned through sacrifice. Sacrifice, service, and the trust of the people. No amount of money, influence, or backroom dealings can substitute for the will of the Zimbabwean people. We are not for sale. The soul of Zimbabwe cannot be auctioned off to the highest bidder. We will not allow our hard-won freedom to be compromised by those who see the state as a business venture rather than a sacred trust. I call upon all patriots, young and old, civilian and uniformed, to remain vigilant. The future of our republic depends on the courage to speak truth, to reject manipulation, and to stand firm in the defense of our constitution. We deserve better, and we, the people, will decide who leads us, not the shadows behind the curtains. General Retired Sigauke Mabranga. Ndoma developments ari kuuya panguva ine. Vakomana vachibloka Tagurei vachiti we are going to defend the constitution. Hatina kurwira nyika ino kuti tigouya tichizongopa vanhu vane maambitions kana vanoda kutenga our power munyika yeZimbabwe. Pinda comment section medu dzafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pezviitiko izvi. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.